Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Throughout history, white distilled vinegar has been considered a medicine and was even prescribed by Dr. Hippocrates, the father of medicine. Apart from being good for our health, white distilled vinegar can help us with our household chores. We can use it mixed with other products, diluted in water, or even alone. In this video, we're going to teach you some of the best uses for white distilled vinegar. It can help reduce the stench of trash. No matter how hard we try to avoid it, the trash cans in our house sometimes take on a strong odor that's not very easy to wash out. White distilled vinegar can help fix this problem. Line the bottom of your trash can with paper towels and place a stale piece of loaf bread on the paper towels. Soak the bread in white distilled vinegar and close the trash can. Leave it that way all night long and throw away the bread the next day. It serves as a clothes softener. A white distilled vinegar and baking soda mixture is great at removing bad odors and lightening clothes. All you have to do is mix half a cup of baking soda and 1 cup of white distilled vinegar in the washing machine whenever it's completely full and let it run its normal wash cycle. It helps clean stained walls. If your white walls are stained, try using white distilled vinegar to clean them. Mix water and vinegar in a tub and dip a microfiber cleaning cloth in the mixture. Gently wash the walls with this cloth. Wait for 5 minutes and do it again. Once this is through, dry the wall with another cloth. This procedure will not only remove stains, but will also protect your walls from mold. It keeps your pets off your sofa. If you don't like it when your dog or cat gets on your couch, white distilled vinegar can help you. Since animals don't enjoy the smell of vinegar, they will stay away from any area you apply it to. Furthermore, the vinegar will help keep your sofa clean and protect it from mites and mold. It helps protect your flowers. If your flowers are wilting and lifeless, the bacteria that builds up in the water are probably to blame. In order to fix this problem, add 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar to the water you use to water your plants, and your flowers will live longer. It gets stains out of pots and pans. Whether it be due to a lack of experience in the kitchen or distraction, it's normal that we burn stuff in our pots. The stains that result from this can be hard to remove, but white distilled vinegar can help. Cover all the burnt areas with vinegar and put the pot on to boil for 5 minutes. Then let it cool and scrub the residue gently with a smooth sponge. It can help clean your glasses. People who wear glasses know that there is nothing worse than when your glasses are covered in dust and fingerprints. This affects your vision and can even give you a headache. You can easily fix this problem with white distilled vinegar by moistening the cloth you use to clean your glasses with. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.